This is a video for people who are faced with an eviction hearing. When you receive a summons and complaint, read it. In the complaint, a landlord makes statements called allegations, like he did not pay rent. Allegations are what the landlord has to prove at trial. If the allegations are true, you may want to talk with the landlord before the hearing and before you go to court to see if you can work out some kind of deal. If the allegations are not true, you can try to prove they're not true. If you filed an answer and counterclaim, you made statements that you have to prove, like, I paid my rent, or the property is condemned. Those are statements you would have to prove. Before you go to court, take time to write down ahead of time what you want to tell the judge. Then, gather all the documents you have that will prove the landlord's statements are not true. For example, a receipt or canceled check showing that you paid the rent, or a copy of your lease. Make sure to dress for court just like you would any other important appointment. Like it or not, appearances matter. If you broke the lease and know you're going to be evicted, it makes sense to try and talk to the landlord before the hearing. See if the landlord will accept your rent if you have it. See if the landlord will give you time to move out or erase the eviction if you move out. If you can't reach an agreement, you have to go to trial. The landlord will get to talk to the judge first. Then you will get to talk with the judge. It will be all right if you read what you wrote down when you were getting ready for the hearing. Remember to be polite. Just tell your story. Give the judge the papers you want the judge to have. When you and the landlord are finished talking, the judge will make a decision. If the judge enters an order of eviction, go back home and start packing. You have to get your property out of the rental unit. Once an order of eviction is entered, the landlord can change the locks at your home. You want your belongings out before the locks can get changed. If you win, you can return to your home, and you can stay in your home until your lease is over. You can appeal the court's decision if you lose and get evicted, but we do not cover the appeal process in this video. This presentation was brought to you by Legal Aid of Nebraska. Check out our website at legalaidofnebraska.org for more information on landlord-tenant issues. Thanks for watching.